Looking to sell your home but not sure which home improvements are worthwhile before doing so? Hey there, Stephanie here with Magnolia Realty. As your local real estate expert, I want to share the 5 most profitable home improvements to make before selling your home. Number 1, bathroom and kitchen updates. From replacing outdated tiles and faucets to giving your cabinets a simple refresh, you don't need to completely overhaul these rooms to make a big impact. Number 2, floors and walls. A fresh coat of paint on your interior walls tells buyers they're moving into a home that's been freshened up. Get rid of old carpets and give your floors a good buff or an invigorated finish. Number 3, spruce up the yard. First impressions matter, and potential buyers walking into a well-landscaped property will be able to check that first box. A quick landscaping update is a simple DIY project that injects life into your property. Number 4, lights that impress. Fresh, updated light fixtures can add a special feel to any room. Swap out those aging fixtures for modern, energy-efficient ones. And number 5, adding that something extra. Adding a little something that brings an X factor to your home will leave a lasting impression on prospective buyers. Replace or paint your front door, add a tree swing to the yard, or pop in a novelty mailbox. Anything goes here. So before you decide to overhaul your soon-to-be for sale home completely, think about the smaller improvements that will make the sale profitable. Consider only the things that will matter to prospective buyers. Every property is different, so rather than guessing what should be updated versus what isn't worth the while, give me a shout or click the button to set up a consultation. I will tour your home and give you a custom list of suggested updates to maximize your value and your bottom line when it comes time to sell. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.